Hello, my name is Wakfan. Today, I'm doing the makeup for demo 7. So for demo 7, we have target 8A. Thus, I can identify the operation of 3-type flip-flop JKDT. So first of all, we start with this one. So as we noticed that when we started doing this, so we see the preset and the clear. So when preset is 0, so Q is high. So Q is high. And then clear is high, Q is 0. It's low. Okay, now we can ignore preset and clear. So we start with J and K. Okay, so the first cycle, J equals 0, K equals 0. That means no change. We continue on to the next one. Okay, for this one, J is 1, K is 0. That means set. So we go up. We keep going to the next state right here, but right here the preset still, so we keep going to the next one. And at right here, we can see J0, K0. That means no change. We keep going until the clear right here. We have to follow it. Clear. Then go to the next one. And clear is keep going from here, so we have to keep going to the next cycle. At right here, J equal 0, K equal 1. That means reset. So right here reset is still 0. Keep going and then up. For the question part 2, for this one, for JK flip-flop, we have 0001, 1011. So if 00, so QT plus 1 is QT, and Q prime T plus 1 is Q prime T. Amount is no change. And when K is 0, that means reset. When K is 0, that means reset. Okay, 0, 1, set. When J equal 1, that means set. When J1 K1, that means toggle. So QT can keep prime can QT. So toggle. Okay, moving to the next one. For the part 8P, for part 8P is I can analyze the given sequence of circuit to determine its operation. So I will show you right here. I have the circuit right here, and then I will like include the I will right here the circuit right here. I will include a picture after. Now we go back to this one. So for the circuit, check the circuit is the Mealy machine. So the circuit is a Mealy machine because the output Z is generated by logic that depend on the current stage. Like you can see right here, the output is depend on the current state, so that means it's the Mealy machine. Okay, we keep going to the finding the diagram. Develop a state diagram for this sequence circuit. So I can see that J1 is equal to J prime Q0 and K1 E X Z. No, it's sorry. J1 is equal X-ray and K1 is equal 0 Q0 and J0 means J1 Q1 K1 equal J prime X prime and Z equal to Q0. Okay, so we keep going to the stable. We can have Z over here, and then we can J1 K1. So J1 equal X prime F is 1. So we keep doing this. K1 equal X prime with Q0, that's mean equal J1 Q0. So that's mean J1 Q0 is 0 0 1 0 0 0 1 0. J0 is X prime J1 Q1 J1 Q1. J1 Q1 J1 is 0 0 0 0 1 0 1 0. And K0 is X prime is the same with J1. In the next stage for Q1 plus, we have to take a look on KK J1 K1. So when J equal 1, K is 0, J1 is 0 is set. That means J1 is set. That means Q01 is set, is 0 to 1. 0 0 no change. 1 1 is toggle. 0 0 is no change. 1 0 is set, so set 1 is still 1. 0 0 no change is 1, is keep 1. 1 1 is toggle. 1 2 0 0 0 is no change, 1 is 1. And Q0 0 1 is, we take from Q0 J1 K1 is reset, so it's still 0 0 0 is no change. 1 1 is toggle, so 1 equals 0. And 0 0 no change. 1 1 1 is toggle 0 to 1. 0 0 is no change. 1 1 is toggle 1 to 1. 0 0 no change. 1 to 1. And let's see output equal Q0 0 0 1. One, zero, zero, 1, 1. Okay, we can see the memory here. Let's see. 1 0 0 is C A. B 1 0 1 is no 1 0 0 is C and 1 0 1 is C 0 1 1 is E. C A C 0 1 B 1 1 is D 1 0 0 is C 0 0 A and 1 1 is D. So from this one, I'm going to do the state diagram. For the state diagram, I have A, B, C, D, 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1. Okay. So when input is 0, A move to C 0. Input 1 is A back to A. For B input 0 B to C. And P1 is go back to B. For C input 0 to D. And C input 1 is go to C. D input 0 is go to A. D input 1 is go to D. So this is a state diagram. So right now I have to talk about two, three sentences explain the behavior of this one. So the Z output is generated by the load the circuit Mealy machine that change the state when the input like is 0, and then when we start doing that, it's changed.